हाय डियर स्टूडेंट, मैं इंसान अली वागदेवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद महाराजगंज. In my previous online class for class 9, 10, 11 and second year. In 10th chapter, before it you have read about present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect, and today in this my online classes you are most welcome in present perfect continuous tense, whom you call present perfect continuous tense. Present means current time, perfect means completion, continuous means continuously. So whom you call present perfect continuous tense? Those sentences who denote some work perfect and some work continuous, then that sentence will be called present perfect continuous. If you have to show some perfect and some continuous, then time is necessary. If time denotes in Hindi sentences, then that sentence will call present perfect continuous. Recognition, symbol. What is symbol? How you will recognize the sentence is present perfect continuous or not? Then recognition the same as well as present continuous. In Hindi sentence, at last, रहा है, रही है, रही हो, रहे हैं, रहे हो, etc. And in the middle of the sentence, time may be approached in this Hindi sentence. So how we have to solve present perfect continuous tense, assertive sentence? Come to the rule. In present perfect, you have read that subject I and other. For plural subject, we have to write auxiliary verb hai, and for every singular subject, we have to join auxiliary verb has. Then, and in present perfect continuous tense, first of all, we have to write subject, and if subject is singular, then we have to write auxiliary verb has. And if subject is plural with I, then we have to write have, and after then been. So in present perfect continuous tense, auxiliary verb is has been and have been. If subject is singular, then we have to write subject auxiliary verb has been, and subject is a plural or subject I, then we have to write auxiliary verb have been. And after then subject verbs present participle form and verbs first form plus ing, and after then object, after then etc, and after then we have to join other words since or for. Since or for. Where we have to join since and where we have to join for? If in present perfect continuous tense sentences, if time is definite, if time is period of time, then we have to write since and if time is indefinite point of time, then we have to write for, and after then time. Example, रेखा 2 घंटे से अपनी किताब पढ़ रही है। Here symbol रहा रह रही present continuous, here time, then it is clear that this sentence is present perfect continuous. So first of all we have to write subject, and subject is singular, then we have to join auxiliary verb has been, and after then verbs present participle form, read, and if add ing then verbs present participle form, and after then object अपनी किताब, her book, and after then since or for 2 घंटे, this time is not period of time, this time is not definite time, instead of definite this time is point of time, indefinite time, then we have to write for 2 घंटे 2 hours. Rekha has been reading her book for 2 hours. Come to negative sentence. Suppose that other sentence. In a negative sentence, we have to join not after has or have, and after then been plus verbs present participle form. For example, मैं शनिवार से पेड़ नहीं काट रहा हूं, पेड़ नहीं काट रहा हूं. So first of all we have to write subject, and subject here is I, and according to subject I we have to write auxiliary verb है, and after then for negation not, and after then been, verbs present participle for cut, cutting. I have not been cutting tree. Here time Shanivar, it is period of time, definite time, then we have to write since Shanivar Saturday. In this way we have to solve present perfect continuous tense negative sentence. Come to interrogative sentence. You know there are 2 types of interrogative sentence, yes or no type interrogative sentence and WS type interrogative sentence. In Hindi sentences, if question word what, kya comes first, then first of all we have to write auxiliary verb has or had. After then subject and after then been was the first form and at last question mark. For example, क्या राहुल 2 दिनों से कपड़े धो रहा है? Here in Hindi sentence starts with question word. Then we have to write has or have according to subject. Subject is similar. Then we have to write auxiliary verb has, and after then subject, and after then being. After then verbs present participle form. Washing object class for 2 days. And suppose that if question word comes middle in the sentence, for example, राहुल 2 दिनों से कपड़े क्यों धो रहा है? Then we have to join question word first. Why has? In this way, we have to solve present perfect continuous tense interrogative sentence. And after then interrogative negative. If in Hindi sentence question word comes first and in the middle negation, then we have to write auxiliary verb has or have, and after then subject, after then not, and after then been was present participle form, object etc, and after then since or for, and after then time. For example, क्या तुम सवा 3 बजे से घर नहीं जा रहे हो? Question word comes first and after then negation. Then first of all we have to write have or has according to subject. Here subject is you, then we have to join have. After then subject, after then not, after then have you not been going to house 3:15 definite time, period of time for 3:15. Have you not been going to house for 3:15? Period of time since. Have you not been going to house since 3:15? And suppose that question word come in the middle of the sentence. तुम 3:15 बजे से घर क्यों नहीं जा रहे हो? So we have to join question word first. Why have? तुम 3:15 बजे से घर क्यों नहीं जा रहे हो? Why have you not been going to house since 3:15? So in this way, present tense has over, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense has over. You have to listen, you have to watch this online class with the help of WhatsApp group and YouTube group very carefully, and after it you will be found homework which you have to solve on time. Thank you.